Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the OnePlus Nord. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We will be following up this unboxing video with a full video of the setup. So what is the software experience of the setup of the OnePlus Nord? But for now, I've just removed the cellophane to the OnePlus Nord. The packaging is very, very nice. This is pretty premium packaging with embossed Nord branding, the OnePlus logo at the bottom, lots of OnePlus Nord content writing on the device. And then at the back, you can see that it's got Qualcomm information. This is an 8GB of RAM and 128GB ROM device that I ordered from OnePlus Direct. Sadly, Amazon UK did not have the stock despite me pre-ordering weeks ahead of time. And if I lift up the lid, the OnePlus Nord is here in the box. And I really like the color tone of this blue or teal with the black. It is a nice combination. So the OnePlus Nords, it says "This way is Nord," and the device itself is here. We'll have a look at that in a moment, but let's look at what's in the packaging apart from the device. So I'm going to open up here. So this is a plastic inlay, and then on the inside we have the box, which contains, in this case, a welcome letter from OnePlus. So this is from the Nord team with pictures of the team and a note which says that the entire team poured their heart, energy and sleepless nights into making this idea a reality, which is very nice. What else is in the package? So there's a little cardboard box which contains some OnePlus Nord stickers. Very handy for showing off that you have a OnePlus. So think of these as ideal to put on maybe a laptop. I'll put these at the side. A quick start guide, safety information, and information on the highest SAR value. So all this literature we can put to one side. We'll be sure to read it at some point. And there's also a very nice TPU case for the OnePlus Nord. So this is a case, as you can see, with the arrow pointing up. This is all around the wording of Nord as a brand. And then the dash charge cable, or the, as they brand it now, has a different name, but the power supply unit. So this is a very fast warp charge charger that outputs 5 volt at 6 amps, so it's a 30 watt charger. Very, very fast, with USB Type A at one end and USB Type C at the other. Long gone are the days where OnePlus had a bit of a snafu with their Type C cables. The latest warp charge and dash charge cables have all been great. So that's all the contents of the box. I'm going to put this aside. Let's focus on the OnePlus Nord itself. As I said at the beginning, we're going to be doing this as an unboxing, and then we'll do a separate video about the setup with the software experience once I've put my SIM card in. But you can see this says "This way is Nord," so it's the sort of true north, the direction they're going. And I'm going to open up this plastic lip and see what's underneath. Wow, it wraps around twice. Well done, OnePlus there. That's definitely some very careful covering. And I'm going to take the sticker off the back. This is going to be useful at a future date. And as you can see, I've gone for the blue marble, the blue version. This is very, very stunning. I hope that the footage filmed on this Sony ZV-1 makes it clear that how blue this is. This is punch in the eye blue. The sides are a sort of slightly metallic look finish. As we've learnt, this is actually plastic, but the buttons in this case are real buttons. And so that's the power button, the volume rockers, and this is the switch, the notification switch on the right hand side. And interestingly, if you look closely, the device comes with a screen protector already installed. That's a really good piece of news for me. And at the bottom, USB Type-C, speaker grill, microphone hole, SIM card ejector bits, and at the top another microphone. Nothing else apart from the buttons. On the back you can see the combination of 4 cameras. Now we'll do a full camera review on this device because we think it warrants it, with the flash, the OnePlus logo, and the OnePlus brand at the bottom. And at the top you can see there are 2 selfie cameras, one wide angle one, whilst one is a standard wide angle one, so ultra wide angle and standard one, which is something that I've been missing since the days of the Google Pixel 3 XL. So for now, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks and expect our video of the setup of the OnePlus tomorrow, most likely. So today we'll be publishing this unboxing of the device. Tomorrow we'll go through the full experience that you get setting up the device with software. But for now, as I said, thanks for watching and speak to you soon.